long time, but just to remind for us today, dear Sindhis and Baloch and all brothers, that Benazir Bhutto wasn't assassinated because she opposed extremism and advocated democracy. She was killed because, like us, she was a Sindhi woman. And only hope for Sindhis within Pakistan. And she was killed by Pakistani establishment. And just as her father did before her. Bhutto died long way from home in the backyard of the Punjabi establishment. Now Bhutto's assassination in Rawalpindi, a key city in Punjab province and home of military, has clarified the situation that Sindhis are not safe in this country. Even if you are working for united Pakistan or against it, our fate in Pakistan is death and misery. Benazir's assassination has confirmed that a conscious Sindhi existence is not possible in this country. Either you or your whole kinship is killed like Bhutto's, or you will be behind the bars and fighting for your life like Safdar Sarki and many more other Sindhis, brothers and sisters.